What the sound? Is it our fire? Yes, it is. Please follow me. Follow me for this way, but don't follow me. Please don't panic. Everyone, stay calm and move toward the emergency exit. Let's go. Come on. Wait. I don't have bag. Forget your bag. Your safety is more important. Let's come with us now. The company. Someone help. There is a fire. Calm down. Everyone, cover your mouth and not with your bag on clothes. It will help. Come on. Please stay together and down. Put the exit you have. I'm so scared. There is really a fire. Don't worry. We'll be fine as long as we're together. Yes, go. Come on. Yes, just keep moving, guys. Look, I can see the exit sign. One by one, everyone. One by one, please. One by one, everyone. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Oh my god, it was so scary. Yeah, this place safe now. Exactly. Safety first, always. Yeah, never enough